Hello guys, we are from group 3 and today we will discuss about our material simple trigonometric equation. But first, let me introduce our member. First member is Cahya Inayati, second member is Nabilla Afrasalma Pratama, third member is me, Sevina Indriani, and fourth member is Verra Arischa Kustantina. We are from Mathematics Education, University of Mercu Buana, Yogyakarta. Okay, let's get started. What is simple trigonometric equation? A trigonometric equation is an equation that has trigonometric ratios in it. Solving the equation means find all angle size that satisfies the equation and thus is true for the domain of angles. Example form trigonometric functions, we have sinus 2x is subtracted by tangent x is equal to 1. This is one of example for trigonometric equation because x is an unknown angle. Basic trigonometric equation. There are three forms of solving trigonometric equations. First sine, second cosine, and third is tangent. For sine, sine x is equal to sinus alpha. Second, cosine, cosine x is equal to cosine alpha. And tangent x is equal to tangent alpha. But sometimes, the form of trigonometric equations is not always directly like the three forms above. So we need to change the form to the one of them. For example, we have sine x plus root 2 is equal to minus sine x. Move minus sine x to the left side and root 2 to the right side, so we can get sine x plus sine x is equal to minus root 2. And then calculate it, so we can get 2 sine x is equal to minus root 2. Divide both sides with 2, or we can also multiply it with 1 over 2, so we can get sine x is equal to minus 1 over 2 multiplying by root 2. Okay, for basic trigonometric sign, that means we need to find sine x is equal to sine alpha. We need to find the value of alpha. So we can find it by using sine inverse or arc sine minus 1 over 2 multiplying by root 2. You can use tables or calculator for find it. So we can get sine x is equal to sine minus 45 degrees. Okay, the signs of trigonometric functions, we have 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, all of them sine, cosine, and tangent positive, and quadrant 2 is only sine positive. For quadrant 3 it's only tangent positive, and for quadrant 4 it's only cosine positive. For the simple trick, when you forget about this one, you can use A, S, C, D, all sine, cosine, and tangent. And then in bahasa, I always use semua sindikat tangan kosong. Semua, it means all for quadrant 1. All of them is positive. And for sindikat, it means sine for quadrant 2. And then tangan, it means tangent for quadrant 3. And the last one is kosong, it means cosine for quadrant 2. Okay, for the simple trigonometric equations formula and for the example how to find the value of x and how to solve the problem, that will present by our member Cahya Inayati, Nabilla Afrasalma, and then Verra Arischa Kustantina. So check it out.
Solving of basic trigonometric equation. Sin x equal to sin alpha. In decrease is x equal to alpha plus k multiple 360 degrees, or x equal to brackets 180 degrees minus alpha plus k multiple 360 degrees. In radians is x equal to alpha plus k multiple 2p, or x equal to brackets p minus alpha plus k multiple 2p with x element r and k element integers. Example: find the x value that satisfies the equation sin x equal to sin 45 degrees for 0 degrees smaller equal to x smaller equal to 360 degrees. Answer: sin x equal to sin 45 degrees or sin x equal to sin 45 degrees. X equal to 45 degrees plus k multiply 360 degrees, or x equal to brackets 180 degrees minus 45 degrees plus k multiply 360 degrees. For k equal to 0, then x equal to 45 degrees plus 0 multiply 360 degrees, or x equal to 135 degrees plus 0 multiply 360 degrees. X equal to 45 degrees or x equal to 135 degrees. For k equal to 1, then x equal to 45 degrees plus 1 multiply 360 degrees, or x equal to 135 degrees plus 1 multiply 360 degrees. X equal to 405 degrees or x equal to 495 degrees. For x equal to 405 degrees and 495 degrees is not included because is except from the limits 360 degrees. So the value of x that satisfies the equation sin x equal to sin 45 degrees is 45 degrees and 135 degrees, or in radians is a quarter p and 3/4 p. Exercise: find the value of x that satisfies the trigonometric equation sin x equal to 0.5 for 0 degrees smaller equal to x smaller equal to 360 degrees. Answer: sin x equal to 0.5 sin x equal to sin 30 degrees. X equal to 30 degrees plus K multiply 360 degrees. For K equal to 0, X equal to 30 degrees. For K equal to 1, X equal to 390 degrees. Or X equal to brackets 180 degrees minus 30 degrees plus K multiply 360 degrees. For K equal to 0, X equal to 150 degrees. For K equal to 1, X equal to 510 degrees. For X equal to 390 degrees and 510 degrees, both of them is except from the limit. They are does not include in the set solution. So the value of X that satisfies sin X equal to 0.5 for 0 degrees smaller equal to X smaller equal to 360 degrees is 30 degrees and 150 degrees, or in radians is 1/6 pi and 5/6 pi.
Solve all basic trigonometric equation. Cos A equals cos A for x elements are in degrees. X equals A plus K multiplied by 360 degrees, or X equals minus A plus K multiplied by 360 degrees for K element integers. And in radian angles, X equals A plus K multiplied by 2P, or X equals minus A plus K multiplied by 2P for K element integers. Next exercise, the value of X that satisfies the trigonometric equation cos square X plus 2 cos X equals minus 1 for 0, 100 less than or equals X more than or equals to 360 degrees is. Answer: cos square X plus 2 cos X equals minus 1. Cos 2x plus 2 cos X plus 1 equals 0. Move minus 1 in the left side and let cos B and let cos X be P, so we get P squared plus 2P plus 1 equals 0. Then factor in the equation P minus 1 and P minus 1 equals 0, so we get factor in the equation P equals 1, or substitute P to cos X, so cos X equals 1. Because it gets cos X equals 1, so cos X equals cos 0 degree and cos X equals 1, so cos X equals 0. Then we can use equation in degree. X equals equals a plus k multiplied by 360 degrees. Substitute a equals 0, then we get equation x equals 0 degree plus k multiplied by 360 degree, and we can use equation in radian as well. X equals a plus k multiplied by 2p, then we get x equals 0 plus k multiplied by 2p. In degree for k equals 0, substitute k equals 0, calculate it, and we get the value of x equals 0 degree. In radian angles, for k equals 0, in the same way, x equals 0. Next, in degree for k equals 1, substitute k equals 1 and calculate it, and we get the value of x equals 360 degree. In radian angles, for k equals 1, in the same way, and x equals 2p. In degree, for k equals 2, substitute k equals 2, calculate it, and we get the value of x equals 720 degree. In radian angles, for k equals 2, in the same way, and we get the value of x equals 4p. Because the condition for 0 degree less than or equals to x and more than or equals to 360 degree, so the value of x that satisfies is 0 degree and 360 degree for in degrees, and 0 and 2p for in radian angles.
The next part is solve of basic trigonometry equation. Tan x equal tan a for x element r. In degrees, then x equal a plus k times 180 degrees for k element integrals. And in radian, then x equal a plus k multiplied by p for k element integrals. So we have example. Set up the settlement set by tan 2x degrees equals square root of 3 for x more than 0 degrees and x less than 360 degrees. Answer: tan 2x degree equals square root of 3. We change root 3 to tan 60 degrees because, as we know, the value of tan 60 degrees is root 3. We eliminate tan, and we enter the degrees formula in the right vertebra. So, we get 2x equals 60 degrees plus k times 180 degrees, or x equals 30 degrees plus k times 90 degrees. In degrees, for k equals 0, we got x equals 30 degrees, obtained from 30 degrees plus 0 multiplied by 90 degrees. And in radian angle, for k equals 0, we got x equals 6b, obtained from 30 degrees multiplied by p divided 180 degrees. So much for the next k equal 3. In degrees, for k equal 1, we got x equal 120 degrees and radian 2/3p. For k equal 2, we got x equal 210 and radian is 76p. For k equal 3, we got x equal 300 and radian 5/3p. Why only until equal 3? Because in k equal 4, x output is over 360 degrees. So, the settlement is k equals 30 degrees, 120 degrees, 210 degrees, and 300 degrees. Or in radian is a 6p, and then 2/3p, 76p, and the last one is 5/3p. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and might it be useful. Apologize if there any error in the pronunciation or calculation. See you to the next video.